Hey everyone, welcome back to Editing Basics. So in this video, I am going to show you how to add vignette in Picsart. So let's begin. First of all, open a Picsart application. So now you can see this plus icon on the middle. Tap on this to create or open a new project. So you can choose any of your photos or videos where you want to import the vignette. Tap on any one of your photos. Now here in the sticker option, tap on the sticker. So you can search this vignette option here. So search vignette, and now you are available with lot of vignette options. So vignette is basically a type of frame, black and white frame that is kept in a photo. So you can choose any one of these from this option. Tap on any one of them. So you have imported it successfully. Now you can expand it or even increase or decrease the opacity of it, and at last tap on the stick button on the top. So now you're done. So this is how you add vignette in Picsart. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you.